very cold good morning, a reverberating good morning. Say it again. One more time for the special guest. So you all know who he is? Paul, sir. He's a part of ASIS family. It's been almost 3 years now. He's not here on the campus. Now the thing is that, let me be a little humorous here. He's here, but he's not here. He's there all the time, but he is here as well, all the time. He's everywhere. So I guess he's omnipotent, somebody who is having this power. Yeah, I know him personally, and you can see him, tall, handsome, beautiful, and beautiful as well. Yeah. Whatever the IT developments that you see here is actually his creation. Whatever the spy system that you have here is actually his creation. He's making it easy for the students, for the teachers, and for the parents as well. It's been almost 3 years. He's back now, and he's going to be with us for some time to look into the administration, to look into the betterment of the school. Personally, I know him. He's a wonderful guy, a footballer. Yes, somebody told me that you're a footballer. And he also looks like a WWF champion now. And he's also working with the World Council for Health in England. Now this looks into the after effect of COVID. Whoever has got problems after, they got COVID, this organization actually looks into it. So it's a great thing that you're here, Paul, sir. We are going to learn from you, and it's going to be a pleasure being here. Now, I call upon Paul, sir. He would like to address this meeting. Paul, sir, please.
Morning, students and teachers. For those who do not know me, I am Amber Jyotimans, the founder of ASIS Group of Schools, Jamaica. Firstly, I would like to show my utmost appreciation to all the teachers and staff here in the schools for their outstanding perseverance and dedication over the past 2 years. Your magnificent work has surely paid off. And most of all, I would like to congratulate the students on their outstanding results and achievements this year. I'm very humbled to be here and see all your faces and beautiful smiles again. One of the main things I've been reminded of being back in India is the power of a smile. India, as a culture, is the most beautiful and colourful I've ever been to. And it would not be the same without being able to see everyone's happy and encouraging, positive, smiley faces. After the global pandemic, where we were told to lock ourselves down and all travel was stopped, many families were split and made everyone, me included, realise how time is so precious and how things we used to take for granted are so very important. Especially quality time with friends and family. Another thing I used to take for granted was being able to have a routine, to go to the gym and have access to affordable, nutritious food. In fact, the instructions of locking us down for our health has actually made a lot of people's health and wellness worse by not allowing us to live active and healthy lives. How many people now are overweight, myself included? mentally ill or poorer since the lockdowns. This got me questioning a lot about my health and what we were being told to do. It made me realise that we as individuals need to start thinking and taking responsibility for our own lives and critically think about one of the most important related topics. What are we putting into our bodies? How nutritious is our food? And what are all these pharmaceuticals that companies are profiting from really necessary? A study was completed in the UK by an incredible doctor called Tess Lowry, who I've had the recent honour in working with, and her outstanding team, where results found that one of the cheapest and most affordable drugs, ivermectin, had so many positive benefits when treating COVID-related symptoms. This drug still remains banned in most Western countries, but freely available in some areas, some countries, as it's used for an anti-malarial drug. So, an awareness campaign was set up last July called World Ivermectin Day. This helped increase people's awareness on a treatment for COVID, which was affordable and not about multi-billion-dollar companies making money. I wanted to come and bring this awareness to the teachers, the parents and students of the schools with the message on how important it is in these days to do your own research. You can find information about this campaign at worldivermectinday.org. I also highly recommend visiting worldcouncilforhealth.org, where you can listen to open debates about topics related to your health and well-being. Another website I would like to mention is navdanyainternational.org. Vandana Shiva, who is from India, started a movement to defend seed and food sovereignty and small farmers over 30 years ago. I will send all these websites and information about them to you on EduSprint. I highly recommend that you research these websites, as you will learn so much and it will help you understand about how important food and health is in these times. I also wanted to bring to everyone's attention the importance in these times of critical thinking, learning to research things for yourself, and do not take everything you hear on television, social media or newspapers as face value. While doing this, express what you've learned and debate with others, also accepting and respecting other people's opinions. Very rarely is one person ever 100% right, but by debating topics politely, openly and honestly, and standing in your power, helps you learn and be responsible for your own actions, while respecting others. By having these healthy debates between all of us, we can endeavour to find out the truth for ourselves. So, the messages I bring here with me today are: 1, the importance in today's world to think critically for yourself. I cannot iterate this enough, it is so important. 2, the need to take control of your own health. And 3, always be kind to yourself and others, because time is short, life is short. Just be the best person you can possibly be. God bless, and Jai Mataji.